Arjun stood at the jagged edge of the cliff as the sky turned an ominous, ink black. He raised the ancient Astra high above his head, feeling its weight. The weapon pulsed with a rhythmic, ethereal blue glow that cut through the gathering gloom. With a roar, he slammed the spear into the dry earth. Thunder cracked instantly, shaking the very foundations of the world. A massive wall of water erupted from the parched ground, surging forward like a tidal wave. The enemy archers unleashed a desperate volley of arrows. The rain intensified into a solid curtain of liquid. Every arrow hit the barrier and sank instantly. Arjun stepped forward through the deluge, his eyes fixed on the horizon. He twisted the spear to the left, and the riverbanks burst. A torrent of white water swept the enemy infantry off the field. Suddenly, lightning struck the tip of the Astra. Arcs of electricity crackled through the rain, turning the water into a glowing net of light. The entire battlefield vanished under a rising sea. Slowly, Arjun lowered his weapon. The heavy clouds parted as the flood began to subside into the earth. The roar of the water faded, leaving only the scent of mud and a haunting silence.